स्वागत है आप सभी का द कॉमर्स बड़ी चैनल में। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज अपन फिर से टाटा इमेजिनेशन चैलेंज की बात करने वाले गाइस, और ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी गाइस। जो लोग भी इसमें पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे उन्हें डायरेक्टली इंटर्नशिप या जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी गाइस टाटा ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज की तरफ से गाइस। प्लस यहाँ पे आपका बेसिकली क्विज भी होता है। उस क्विज में गाइस आपको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कैश प्राइज और रिवॉर्ड्स भी दिए जाते हैं। तो जिनको भी गाइस एनरोल करना आप कर सकते हो इसमें गाइस। अगर आप यूजी हो, आपने अंडर ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर लिया, अगर आप पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर चुके हो, या फिर आपने डिप्लोमा भी कंप्लीट किया, तो भी आप यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हो गाइस। सभी के लिए वैलिड है। तो वीडियो को गाइस आखिरी तक देखना, कैसे कि आपको अप्लाई करना है, आपको प्रॉपर ए टू जेड बताने वाला हूँ। प्लस अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर देना, जिससे कोई भी आपका अपडेट मिस नहीं होगा गाइस। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन। So friends, here you can see this is basically Unstop, a formerly a D2C platform which is there to compete, in which various internships, scholarships, competitions, every notifications will be coming in the D2C guys. It's a very good platform guys. Now in this platform only this challenge has been come, which is Tata Imagination Challenge guys. Okay, so if we talk about Tata Imagination Challenge, first we discuss the last date. So guys, the last date will be 15th September. Okay, so if you want to enroll, today is 9th September guys. Okay, so if you want to enroll, you can enroll by 15th September guys. And this is basically individual participation. You cannot create like participate in a group guys. It is basically individual. Okay, and the best thing is that like it is a free registration. Okay, you don't need to pay anything in this competition guys. It's a free registration. And every year Tata group of companies and organize this event, and this will be the 2022 event. If we talk about when will be the event is started, the event has been already started on 18th August, and end date will be on 10th November. Okay, so if we talk about eligibility criteria, so if you go to eligibility criteria, everyone can apply, like engineering students, MB students, undergraduates, corporates, postgraduates, everyone can apply guys. Okay, now if we talk about how will be the procedure and all stages and timelines, so you can see there are different rounds. First round will be total brand assessment. Okay, so in this what happens, you will be providing a basically different stories and facts. Okay, you can see in these stories and facts you need to predict something, and then you need to select the MCQs, which you have already done in your like school days, reading comprehension in English, right? So that is the main thing in this round one guys. So you can see, so 16th September is the starting date, and end date will be 17th September guys for this round one. So those who want to apply, they can directly apply. Like if you go to the guidelines also, so you can easily read the guidelines as well as assessment window. You can see assessment duration will be 30 minutes guys. Total questions will be 20. Okay, time per question you need to give almost like 2 minutes per question you need to give. And the best thing is that there is no negative marking also. We'll see once if there is negative marking or not. You will separate marks for accuracy, correct answer, speed, time taken to answer. Okay, a question of 4 marks is a timer of 1 for 20 seconds with the correct answer is unstopped. Okay, fine. And then you get a accuracy and 1.5 for speed, so total will be 3.5. So guys, the best thing is that like there is no negative marking also, so you can attend for all 20 questions. Okay, then if we talk about the proctoring related, so this is a basically laptop or a desktop with a web camera you can easily give. Okay, these will be the key instruction. You can see the basic rules and regulations while attempting the exam. So first round you can give. Then if we talk, those who clarify the round one, they will be further goes to round two guys, which is gamified assessment. Okay, so what happens in gamified assessment guys, you will be experiencing elements of gaming in this round, where registered participants indulge in an interactive and exciting gamified assessment. So guys, here they will be asking like related to different tasks guys. You will be getting like crossword puzzles or like sudoku, different gaming assessment will be provided to you, and this will be starting in 2022 to September. Okay, and it will be ending on 23rd September guys. Only one day this will be there. Okay, so before that you need to first clear round one in this time duration period guys. Okay, then you will proceed to round two. Then if we talk about round three guys, so round three will be video plus three question submissions. So here you need to like submit a video which is basically 2 minute face to face camera pitch, and three questions: why, what, why, and how. The title, abstract, and impact. You need to mention that. This will be starting at like 4th October and end will be 6th October. Okay. Then you have ideal body face, which will be starting. You can see the dates will be after first round, second round, third round. Then we have popular choice awards. So there will be three votes which will be given to every participant, like the topmost uh, participants who got all the rounds clear in one attempt, guys. Then final will be round four, guys, which is grand finale. So in grand finale, guys, you can see the grand finale will be announced till November, guys. So you have ample of time, and today is like September, so September, October, November. So 3 months almost this competition will be there. So directly you can participate. Everyone can participate, guys. This is amazing opportunity. Those who want to apply, they can directly apply. Everyone can participate, no registration fees and all. Okay. So if you want, you can directly apply. There's one option which is registered. You need to click on that, and after clicking on that there is continue with mail, or like to just you need to click on continue mail, connect with your mail id, and after connecting with the mail id you just need to confirm once, and after confirming you will get this interface. Okay, team size individual, you need to mention email id, mobile number, name, college, then you need to set gender, type, domain, course which you have completed, specialization, program, year of graduation, course duration you need to mention, then you need to save draft and submit your form. So this is a basic फॉर्म गाइस. दोज हु वांट टू अप्लाई दे कैन डायरेक्टली अप्लाई. इट्स एन अमेजिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी. और मेरे को किसी ने बोला भी था गाइस कि आप टाटा इमेजिनेशन चैलेंज का एक वीडियो बना दो, इसलिए मैंने गाइस उनके बेहाफ में बना दिया वीडियो. तो गाइस दोज हु वांट टू अप्लाई दे कैन डायरेक्टली अप्लाई. तो गाइस आज के लिए अपन इसमें रखते हैं, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. गुड बाय गाइस, टेक केयर, बाय बाय.